Hey, what's up, guys? Serg exclusive here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you guys can make money with ClickFunnels. If you guys don't know what ClickFunnels is basically a software a lot of people use for their online business or for any sorts of business and stuff like that. But before we get started with this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell because I'm still doing that 10K challenge. So if you guys want to help me out to reach 10K subscribers, hit that subscribe button because I'm doing it every single day. I'm doing videos every single day until I reach 10K. All right. So let's get started with this video. So the way you guys are actually gonna make money with ClickFunnels is actually with their affiliated program. All right. You guys could use this for your business. You guys could use it for whatever you guys want, and then test it out. But you guys wanna participate in their affiliate program, especially when when they're giving out 40% monthly recurring commissions, which is one of the best recurring affiliate programs out there. I believe so because they they give you rewards, they give you all this sorts of cool items. They give you 40% plus they give you on some of their on some of their on some of their products they give you 100% and stuff like that. So what you guys want to do, if you guys already have ClickFunnels, you guys can actually you guys are already an affiliate for them. All you gotta do is log into your account, your ClickFunnels account, and go all the way down to your affiliate dashboard, and that's all you guys have to do. If you guys if you're a ClickFunnels user, click through here. If you're not, a ClickFunnels user, go through here. And the best thing about this is that you guys don't really need to purchase this software to be an affiliate for ClickFunnels. So, you guys don't have to be a ClickFunnels user to actually promote this product. You guys could easily just be a non-ClickFunnels user and just sign up through here. All right. And as you can see here, I'm gonna go to the ClickFunnels Avengers affiliated Facebook group. I'm part of that group, and people actually do make decent amount of money. Even they just show support if you guys need help to learn how to do it. As you can see right here, this guy just is the I think it's the 2 million club. I think that's what it is. I'm not too sure. I haven't read it, But yeah, a lot of people give good knowledge, and some people do post their first commissions, stuff like that. Even if they wanna find, if they need help finding their dream customer, they show you how they do it. They show you how you could achieve that and stuff like that. And they really help you out, especially if you guys do not know how to do the affiliate. You don't know how to do to promote ClickFunnels. There's multiple ways to promote ClickFunnels, just not through online. You guys could even do it through in person and stuff like that. A lot of people actually do. You could promote this in different ways, like people do with in different ways. Not just through online space. A lot of people think of creative ways to promote ClickFunnels. And the cool thing about it that ClickFunnels actually does, they do have a free affiliate bootcamp where they help you create and help you achieve your first commission and show you guys how you guys could how you guys could promote their product, which is actually pretty good. And then you guys could even, if you guys are looking into affiliate marketing and want to know how to promote products, I suggest to take the affiliate marketing, the affiliate bootcamp thing for free, or you guys could even go to my course, which is completely free and show you step by step, and you guys will actually have a person there walking you through your first commission. All right. But yeah, the link is down below for my free course and for the affiliate bootcamp and stuff like that, if you guys want to take a look on that. But anyways, yeah, a lot of people do help you guys achieve this. All you gotta do is, after you become a ClickFunnels affiliate, you guys can actually join their free Facebook group. Okay. So all you gotta do, oh, and also there's a cool affiliated there's a cool there's a cool there's a cool product that ClickFunnel actually has. It's called the OneWay challenge, the One Funnel Away challenge, and I took it once, and it's actually pretty good. And if you guys want to promote this, it's actually I do have a free funnel for you guys to promote this. If the only way you guys will ever get this, if you guys do take the One Funnel Away challenge, if you guys take the One Funnel Away challenge, you guys will actually get my free funnel that you guys could actually promote this. And the best thing about this, when you guys are promoting it, you guys actually get 100% of the commission. So it's $100 to join, and you guys easily get $100 back. If you guys get promoted once, and someone purchases it, you guys will make your money on one sale, your money back on one sale. So that's pretty neat, and it gives you a lot of knowledge, and it's just $100. That's all you guys, you guys take and stuff like that. If you guys do want to take the One Funnel Away challenge and want to get the free funnel that I built, that I use for for promoting this product, and it's pretty high converting, click the link down below and join the One Funnel Away challenge. All you gotta do is send me an email to the email that's listed in the funnel when you guys go through it, and it's gonna show you. It's just all you gotta do is take a screenshot of the receipt, and that's pretty much it. And I'll send you the link to the free funnel. All right, but that's pretty much it on this. But there's ways to promote this. I'm gonna show you guys one good way to promote it. I'm gonna go on YouTube real quick and show you guys how you guys could easily promote this real quick. All right. So what people do, that a lot of people, well, I'm gonna show you two ways actually. Two people, what they do is how to create a funnel, and some people are gonna tell you it's gonna be with ClickFunnels, this and that, sales funnel tutorial, a ClickFunnel complete tutorial 2021. All right, and a lot of other people, the way they promote it is through Udemy, giving a course to show you guys how to use ClickFunnels, and they also give you bonuses and stuff like that. As you can see here, I'm gonna put ClickFunnels. A lot of people actually do take they teach people how to do ClickFunnels and stuff like that. Some people sell it for 130, some people sell it for 100. Some people give it away for free. Let me see some prices. Free. Yeah, some people give their courses away for free, and they get commissions out of the purchase and stuff like that. So that's how those are two ways. Those are only two ways where you guys can actually promote ClickFunnels. Okay, there's multiple ways where you guys can actually promote ClickFunnels and stuff like that, but those are only two ways to promote ClickFunnels. Like I said, you could promote them in multiple ways and stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If this video helped you guys out, if it did, hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, so you guys will be notified when I upload my next video. And I'm still doing the 10K challenge, so like I said, I'm posting every single day until I reach 10K subscribers. So yeah, so hopefully this video helped you guys out, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.